Have you ever wished you could remember every name, every idea, every lesson you learn, just like that? Imagine studying for hours and never forgetting a single word. Imagine remembering faces, details, and stories even after years. Sounds like a superpower, right? But here's the truth, that power already exists inside you. Your brain is the most powerful memory machine ever created. You just haven't been taught how to use it properly. Today, I'll show you 12 powerful steps to remember anything, faster, deeper, and for life. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how memory works, but you'll also know how to train your mind to become unstoppable. So sit back, open your mind, and let's begin this journey together. To unlock the full potential of your memory. Because knowledge means nothing if you can't remember it. Brain Step 1. Understand how memory works. Before learning how to remember, you need to know what memory actually is. Memory isn't a single thing, it's a system. There's sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Sensory memory catches information for just a few seconds, like the sound of a horn or the color of someone's shirt. Short-term memory holds things temporarily, like remembering a phone number for a few seconds. And long-term memory stores everything important. Your childhood, your favorite song, your first success, your failures. Now here's the secret. Information moves from short-term to long-term only when your brain finds it meaningful or emotional. So if you want to remember something forever, you must connect meaning or emotion with it. For example, if you meet someone named Rose, imagine her holding a red rose. You just made the memory visual and emotional. And your brain will never forget it. Your memory doesn't forget. You just need to speak its language. That language is emotion, repetition, and visualization. Lightbulb Step 2. Focus is the gateway to memory. Have you ever read a page and then realized you remember nothing? You didn't forget, you simply never focused. Focus is the doorway through which memory enters. Without focus, information never gets stored. In the modern world, we live in constant distraction, phones, notifications, noise. Our mind is everywhere except the present moment. So if you truly want to remember more, you must first train your focus. Here's how. 1. When learning something new, remove all distractions. Keep your phone silent or in another room. 2. Study or listen in short, intense bursts. 25 minutes of pure focus, then 5 minutes break. 3. Before starting, take a deep breath and say, I am here. I am focused. My mind is ready. That one line sets your intention, and your brain follows it like a command. Remember, a distracted mind learns nothing, but a focused mind learns everything. Counterclockwise arrows button. Step 3. The power of repetition. Space it out. Repetition doesn't mean cramming. It means strategic spacing. Your brain loves patterns, and repetition strengthens them. When you repeat information, your brain builds stronger neural pathways. But timing is everything. Instead of reading one chapter 10 times in one night, read it once today, once tomorrow, again after 3 days, and again after a week. This method is called spaced repetition. It's how the world's best students, speakers, and memory champions train their minds. Think of it like building muscle. You don't lift weights for 10 hours in one day. You lift a little daily, and your muscles grow stronger. Memory works the same way. Consistency beats intensity. So remember this. It's not how much you study, it's how often you return to it. Rainbow Step 4. Visualize everything you learn. Words are boring for your brain. Pictures? They're unforgettable. Your brain is a visual machine. It remembers images 60,000 times faster than text. That's why when you read a story, you can see it in your mind like a movie. So next time you learn something, turn it into a picture, a scene, a symbol. For example, if you're learning about growth, imagine a small seed growing into a tree. If you're trying to remember someone named King, picture a golden crown on his head. Visualization makes learning fun and unforgettable. The more bizarre or funny your image, the stronger the memory. Because your brain remembers emotions and surprise. So make your imagination your classroom. Puzzle piece step 5. Connect new information to what you already know. Every new piece of information is like a puzzle piece. And your brain loves completing puzzles. When you connect something new to something familiar, your brain creates meaning and stores it permanently. Example. If you learn a new English word like benevolent, meaning kind, link it to someone you know who is kind. Think of your kind teacher or a helpful friend. Your brain now has a living reference. This is called association. The stronger your connections, the stronger your memory network. So whenever you learn something new, ask yourself, what does this remind me of? If you can answer that, you'll remember it forever. Open book step 6. Teach what you learn, the memory multiplier. If you want to remember something, teach it. When you explain an idea to someone else, you are not just recalling, you are reorganizing knowledge. This process activates different parts of your brain. The ones responsible for speech, reasoning, and logic. That means your understanding becomes deeper. And your memory becomes stronger. So after learning something, tell your friend about it. Write it in your own words. Or imagine you're teaching a class. When you teach, your brain shifts from learning mode to mastery mode. And mastery means memory. As the saying goes, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Let's take a quick pause and reflect. So far, we've covered 6 steps to unlock your memory power. 1. Understand how memory works. 2. Focus deeply, eliminate distractions. 3. Use spaced repetition. 4. Visualize everything. 5. Connect new knowledge to what you know. 6. Teach what you learn. These 6 alone can transform your brain. From forgetful to focused, from lost to limitless. But we're only halfway there. Because in part 2, we'll go even deeper. Into the advanced secrets memory masters use to store entire books, speeches, and experiences effortlessly. We'll talk about how sleep and diet shape memory, how emotions can boost recall, how to use storytelling and location memory, and how to build a system that makes forgetting impossible. Your brain is ready for the next level. So take a deep breath and prepare for part 2, the final 6 steps to remember anything. Welcome back. If you're listening right now, it means you've already decided to take your mind to the next level. You've learned the first 6 steps: focus, visualize, connect, and teach. Now it's time to master the final 6. The steps that separate ordinary learners from those who never forget. Let's begin. Man in lotus position. Step 7. Take care of the machine, your brain's physical health. Your brain is not just a cloud of thoughts. It's a living organ. It needs fuel, rest, and maintenance. Memory depends heavily on your body's health. No matter how strong your desire to learn is, a tired, dehydrated, or stressed brain will forget faster than you think. Here's how to fuel it right. 1. Sleep deeply. Memory consolidation, the process of storing information permanently, happens when you sleep. Without 7 to 8 hours of good rest, your brain simply can't move information from short-term to long-term memory. 2. Eat brain food. Omega-3s, nuts, dark chocolate, blueberries, and green leafy vegetables literally feed your neurons. What you eat today becomes your memory tomorrow. 3. Stay hydrated. Even a 2% drop in hydration can affect focus and recall. 4. Exercise. Movement increases blood flow to the brain, and every drop of oxygen keeps your neurons sharp. Remember, a weak body can't hold a strong memory. Treat your brain like a supercomputer, and maintain it like one. Person Lotus Position Step 8. Control stress. The hidden memory killer. Have you ever forgotten something important when you were nervous or scared? That's stress at work. When you're anxious, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that blocks memory formation. That's why students sometimes forget answers they knew perfectly before the exam. The secret is to stay calm when learning or recalling. Here's how. Practice deep breathing before studying or memorizing. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, release for 4. It signals your brain, I'm safe. I can focus. Don't chase perfection. Accept that forgetting is natural, and recall will improve with practice. Reward yourself after learning. A simple, good job boosts dopamine, the chemical of motivation and memory. So next time you forget something, don't panic. Relax, breathe, and recall with calm. Because a peaceful mind remembers everything. Compass Step 9. Use the method of loci, the ancient memory palace. Now we step into the legendary technique used by Greek philosophers, Roman senators, and modern-day memory champions. It's called the method of loci, or simply, the memory palace. Here's how it works. 1. Imagine a place you know well, your home, school, or street. 2. Visualize yourself walking through it. 3. Place the things you want to remember along the path. Example. If you want to remember a grocery list, apples, milk, bread, eggs, and coffee. Imagine apples on your doorstep, milk spilling in the hallway, bread on your sofa, eggs on your bed, and coffee boiling in the kitchen. Now when you mentally walk through your home, you'll automatically recall every item, in order. It's powerful because your brain loves spatial memory. That's why you can remember places from years ago but forget what you read yesterday. Use this technique for speeches, lessons, vocabulary, anything. Your home becomes your classroom. Your imagination becomes your teacher. Scroll Step 10. Turn information into stories. Facts fade. Stories stick. When you wrap information inside a story, your brain connects it with emotion, logic, and imagery. The perfect memory combination. For example, instead of memorizing random dates or points, build a story around them. Let's say you're learning the steps of a scientific process. Observation, hypothesis, experiment, result. Imagine a curious boy observation. Making a guess about a flying kite, hypothesis. Testing it in the wind, experiment. And discovering how it flies, result. You'll never forget that sequence again. That's why we remember stories from childhood. Because they carried emotion and meaning. So whatever you learn, convert it into a short story, a journey, or a visual scene. Your brain will thank you with a lifelong recall. Speech-a-loon Step 11. Use language, speak it out loud. Speaking activates multiple senses, hearing, feeling, and understanding. When you say something out loud, you hear it twice, once through your voice, and once through your ears. This repetition strengthens your brain's recall circuits. That's why great speakers memorize their speeches by rehearsing aloud. Students who study by reading out loud remember better. So next time you learn something, don't just read it, say it. Say it with meaning. Use your tone, emotion, and body language. Even whispering to yourself helps. Your voice is not just for communication. It's a tool for memory. Speak to remember. Teach to master. Glowing Star Step 12. Review, reflect, and reinforce. The final step. The habit that keeps your memory alive forever. Learning is not a one-time act. It's a cycle. Every few days, review what you've learned. Every week, reflect on how you used that knowledge. Every month, reinforce it with action or teaching. When you review, your brain marks the information as important. When you reflect, your brain connects it with emotion. When you use it, your brain makes it permanent. So make reviewing a ritual. A 5-minute daily reflection can turn short-term memory into lifelong wisdom. Here's a simple nightly exercise. Before sleeping, recall 3 new things you learned today. Say them aloud, visualize them, and feel proud. That moment alone trains your brain to remember, forever. You've now discovered all 12 steps. From understanding memory to mastering it through focus, visualization, and discipline. Let's quickly recall them. 1. Understand how memory works. 2. Focus, remove distractions. 3. Use spaced repetition. 4. Visualize everything. 5. Connect new information to what you know. 6. Teach what you learn. 7. Take care of your brain's health. 8. Control stress. 9. Build a memory palace. 10. Turn facts into stories. 11. Speak it out loud. 12. Review, reflect, reinforce. Now remember this truth. You don't have a bad memory. You just have an untrained one. Memory is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. When you start applying these 12 steps daily, you'll notice the difference in just 1 week. You'll remember names, ideas, lessons, and details effortlessly. But most importantly, you'll trust your mind again. Because the ability to remember is not just about learning. It's about becoming confident, focused, and limitless. Knowledge fades when memory sleeps. But when you train your memory, you wake up your potential. Don't let your ideas die in forgetfulness. Don't say, I can't remember. Say, I'm learning to remember. Because every great mind you admire, Einstein, Edison, Da Vinci, was not born with a better brain. They simply learned how to use it better. If this video helped you open your mind, then promise yourself this. For the next 7 days, apply at least 3 of these memory steps in your daily life. Train your mind every day. And soon people will ask you, how do you remember everything so easily? That's when you'll smile and say, because I trained my mind to never forget. Don't forget to share this video with someone who struggles to remember. Let's help the world unlock its true memory power. And remember, your brain is limitless. Use it, don't waste it. Learn daily. Grow endlessly. Because greatness begins in the mind.